Go take one.
I feel like they're ripping us off here.
Right, I don't know.
How nice are these? Life goals, get a gold tap.
Don't worry about us, just film a vlog. Oh, there's an 80. Oh, God. Oh. I'm just trying to drive. Just go away.
He's look back.
Oh, he's look.
Stay at the back of my car.
My organised. My organised. Oh.
Get the car. No returns.
Oh.
Don't you feel really boisterous? Like, oh,
boom.
Going to Ikea. Oh,
Wow. Back to Wembley.
oh, we're gonna have a party.
Whoa. In the
Marketplace.
well, welcome to Jessie's nightmare driving.
Well, actually, I'm a good driver.
Literally,
Take that back.
where you actually
Take that
no,
back.
right, this is the thing. We're really good drivers, me and her.
Think.
Okay, no, we know we're really good drivers. We're really good racers, like
Yes.
like racer drivers. But we're mental.
Safe though.
We're safe.
Naomi's back.
I'm back.
She's sober. She's not really, she's drunk.
No, I'm sober. Don't fucking do that.
Start rumours.
Oh, he's got some long hair.
Yes.
Long hair, don't care.
Don't worry, we're just filming a YouTube video.
Don't worry about us, just filming a vlog.
I don't even know what you're saying. We have to give James a
Oh, the 42 got you feeling nice. Oh, Kawasaki better take a bite.
Oh, girl, I'm trying to get your pussy wet. Just say that, I hate that word.
What, back your ass?
Oh.
Sick.
But say it!
Why?
Wait, I don't know. You sounded like Borat.
What about little pushy kid?
I hate fucking cats.
Yeah, that might be why I don't like
No, the word pussy is just
like your pussy. Come on, girl, I'm trying to get the poops away.
I might just put that in with no reference. What? No, literally nothing. So no one knows why you just said. I was doing my list of to-dos that I had been putting off. Recycling was one of them.
Oh, okay.
And taking my smelly bin down was one of them as well.
You always got a smelly bin, ain't you? Every time I go to Jessie's house and I go in the bin, she's like, oh, I'm not taking the bin out.
Don't
It
accept
stinks. I'm like, it don't stink.
What's he doing?
In your no.
Shit,
I
I'm
always
like
can't pull
driving.
really nice cars.
Yeah, I'm like, move out the way, Audi.
Range Rover.
In our cars, calling everyone's car.
I go with a backless love. Keep vodka with Coco. What's the name? I think Coco. On the Insta, hair on fleek and the skin like Kinder.
Someone on Tinder called me Kinder. How cringy is that?
So, right, we was on the way to Jessie's little local shop. Jessie's flying down this road. And I'm like, how do I get my seat back? So I do this.
I didn't expect you to do it then.
Oh my God!
I just looked in there and you were flat. It was so funny. She was flat and then
I just disagreed.
Like, what lane?
Yeah, this one. What one? No, this one. No!
What one? This one!
12 seconds later.
What lane? What lane?
No, you're in the wrong lane! Get over there!
Wait, there, here.
Sorry. No, she's in the wrong lane, like complete wrong lane. We're going to Ikea.
Ikea, the wonderful everyday. Are you not nervous?
No, I couldn't give a shit.
You should be a pro vlogger.
I couldn't give a shit. Jessie!
It's actually embarrassing already. We're not even in there. I like this.
Handles.
These handles are a bit of you.
You could fit in that. You could. I don't think it'd take your weight though. I'm not trying to say you're fat. Oh, I like that sofa.
Is it comfortable though? Because the IKEA sofas are a bit meh.
This is nice.
Is it? Let me have a little. I thought I was going to break my back.
I hope you got that. I don't know if you did.
I need to...
I'm gonna wet myself. I'm gonna wet myself. We're gonna get kicked out. There she is. Oh. She's gonna. Do you like that bench?
Your house.
Yeah, I love a bench. These are really good because you can change the knobs and you just paint them.
Have you done that?
No. We're just filming a college vlog. Just a college vlog. I don't know, stop, just a fucking stop. Stop.
Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to our crib. I can just see the women now stood there like, what the fuck's going on? But will she buy one?
No, I won't buy one, but I like it.
This is Jess and we go to Ikea. Oh, do I get it? Do I get it though? Do it? No. Do I? We're filming.
We're filming, lad.
You're on YouTube. Mummy, where are the kids when Simon Jägers?
Oh, look! Like my room.
Oh, yeah.
Don't steal my ideas, Ikea. I like them. Oh, that would go in my room.
Who has 3?
Oh no, I won't have 3.
No, but who actually has 3 light bulbs?
Well, you can make it.
Well, yeah, you could.
I'll say I want it, and I'll probably get it in about 7 months. What?
Just how nice it is in here.
It's cozy, isn't it? Yeah. And there's gold.
I love terracotta pots, but they just...
This is my dressing table. Get a mirror. Hide the hole. Oh, they've got the little thing. Oh, that's different.
Right,
these are different organisers.
In there.
Oh, I like these ones. These are probably better. If anyone wants organisers.
But are you going to buy them now?
£5. That's cheaper than what I did.
You're not, are you?
That's what Organised Motherhood has.
Oh, they're £2.
Bargain shopping, yeah. Look at that. I'd rather a white sink though, not silver. But I like that. I really like it.
No, the silver.
Life goals, get a gold tap. That's cute.
I love this.
Yeah.
I love this.
Yeah.
What's that as well?
See, people make these look really nice. Put like 3 plants on it. Yeah, I like them.
£4.
At my front door.
Oh my God,
I'm getting them. I'm getting them. I'm getting them. I actually am. Right. Oh, I need to take a photo. 2 ticks.
Love these. Love these. I've seen people do like arts and crafts for their kids stuff in here. Food. Love these stalls as well. Just like plants too, guys.
Yeah, plant stand.
Yeah, they're £3.50. I think it's kind of a bomb. Or is it just that?
It's kind of a rip-off, yeah.
But I do feel like
I feel robbed at this point.
every time we go to Ikea, I think, oh, should I get these? And then I'm like, no, because I need 2. And then 2 round up to £7. And I'm like, do you want to spend £7 in cereal boxes?
Yeah, you do.
Do I?
Get them.
No, but I'm going to put them down.
So good.
Weetabix.
No, see, this is what I want. And I want to put,
Label maker.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like Organised Motherhood again.
Love this kind of vibe too.
Welcome to my...
Oh, we're going in.
He laughed at me.
Did he? I thought you was going to fart.
What? You fucking scared me. You need these.
I love these. Oh shit!
No, I like them though. Imagine them just dotted around. You got, oh my god, imagine Lani having these.
Yeah.
Do you know her name's not Lani, it's Leanne.
Is it?
Yeah.
I watch you, Lani. You would never know.
You would never know. If you like them, this is what it is. 25 quid. It's £1.25.
No.
Here it is.
Oh yeah, it is.
Look. Does that offend you?
Yeah.
It does actually look offensive, doesn't it?
Succulents aren't hard to look after.
I've gone off of them. Like,
What succulents?
no fake plants.
Love these.
I want to put my Lenore in them.
Oh, your olive oil. Why don't you get one for your olive oil? She said,
I need.
Yeah. What are they?
No, but
They're £1.
right, when we go to the marketplace, I'm gonna get this.
No.
You sure?
It's only ugly if you think it's ugly, and I don't.
No, it's not, is it? Is the glass... Look, it's not clear. Oh, what's heavy?
What do you mean?
So it's got like a tinge of like yellow.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, but then...
Look at her bringing an excuse for everything.
I like to do that. I'm being brave. So I find something that I want to buy, and then I pick out reasons why maybe I wouldn't want to buy it. That's how you don't spend loads of money. Okay, I'm not brave anymore. Look, another thing that would go with you. Oh my god. Go with you, I meant go with your home. Do you remember when Ikea was so basic? Yeah. And now they're going funky.
The maroon.
The maroon. How much would you have loved this as a little girl?
Yeah.
Just like, get out my room.
You know, Sixth Sense, when a mum starts giving her a...
Oh, I'd love a bath like that.
dark.
I like the green. I don't know about the floral, I don't know if it's my style.
Only because it's like a dark.
It looks like the back of my cushions on my sofa that no one sees.
I love that.
I actually don't mind them, to be honest. That is satisfying. I would like to have this and then one of those big massive puffs things in the middle. Da-da-la.
In your vlog.
Oh, no.
I just came right over to see what you were doing.
Run away, run away. I'm not vlogging. Yeah, they have. They've literally been. Yeah. I think they're wondering what we're doing. You want to get in the vlog? My organised bubble. Follow me. I'm now.
Well, nothing.
Oh, they're back. The people that are following us are back.
You know you're watching.
You know you're watching.
You might see each other like sharp, hard. Or
Go on.
Oh right, yeah. I don't want to your room.
Yeah. Oh my god, I've just look what I've done. My laces. Are you gonna do it up? But it looks like I'm some sort of diva.
Wow.
And I'm recording you like you're a peasant.
What the fuck is that? What does this stop?
Hashtag mum life.
I don't know, what is it?
Wait, what about if Lewis watches this and tells Nina?
No, he won't watch it. He's not allowed to just run YouTube.
This is where I just stand around and wait for her to be a mum.
Doing my mum thing.
Doing her mum stuff.
Terrifying. I'm sorry, that is another level of scary.
Market hall. Oh, I called it the marketplace.
I always thought it was the marketplace.
I thought it was the marketplace as well.
Together.
Forever. Some folklore. Oh, there's a lot of gold.
Now they are nice.
Should I put them in and probably put them back at the end? Okay, like that.
Just there. Oh, that's this you can never kill, like.
Okay, should I get that?
Yeah.
I'm going to put stuff in my trolley and then what I do is I assess at the end. I like these. I like that. I like the pink. How nice are these? Get the big one, Naomi.
How much olive oil do you have?
I don't know, why do I need a little one?
Yeah, no, you won't need that big one for olive oil, I don't think.
I'll get this one. I'm thinking about putting my Lenore in this one, but then I'm like, is that dodgy?
No. As long as like, oh no, it will get in the cork though.
No, because I won't fill it all the way up.
No, but when you pour.
I'll take it off.
No, I know, but I mean, you've got to then put it back, the cork back on where you just poured.
Yeah, but what, isn't that the same as water?
Yeah, no, but it's comfortable.
Look!
Oh my god, it's looking like lava. What would you use it for though?
Put your water in there with ice and then have a little drink from here. They are on no, they're not.
No.
I love this. I can get this for Lenore, the big one.
Got to pour the Lenore in that tiny hole.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get that big old bottle in this tiny little hole.
I feel like they're ripping us off here.
This isn't the same.
£19.
Oh right, yeah.
But I feel like in the range you could get it for cheaper. Just be brave, man. I don't know.
In Bangkok, but you can't do it in Ikea.
You do it in Bangkok, you do it in Amsterdam, in Ikea, in Wembley. No. Put it in and I'll see.
Okay, we're doing it.
Watch it go at the end. Anyone else do that? Just me? No. I don't like the idea of this. This screams mould.
I had something like this.
That, imagine that at the corner of a little mouldy bathroom. Yeah. So no from us. Everyone needs these.
Yeah,
they go in your drawer, you need them. Scoop. £5.
Bargain.
Bargain, mate. Is that a lantern? I'm loving all the pink. They're loving pink and I'm loving pink. We're all loving pink. Imagine that on my balcony.
That would be cute.
That is cute. How much is it?
It is.
I don't know how much it is.
It doesn't actually. Oh, no, it doesn't say.
Free then. Go on.
Slot it in the vlog, Jess.
Go on then.
Slot it in the vlog.
Slot it in the vlog. Go on.
But, so.
Oh, the shit. I know what you're going to say.
Yeah, mums, parents, carers.
Carers, siblings, guardians.
They put their kids' school uniform.
Oh, Carly done that.
Carly.
Jade Drake.
Oh, yeah, she did, yeah.
Ball!
Yeah.
I need
How many?
How many? How many do I need? 3.
You need 3?
Three.
You live on your own, hon.
Yeah. Try and say I ain't got guests.
One guest. 3 in there.
No, it's not even that big.
Yeah,
Smaller.
well, there you go.
About that big.
2. You need 2.
Okay, 2. Now you can come get your helmet from here. I'll take my whole She's being watched.
I'm gonna take my horse.
Wait, I'm filming you looking like this. Ready? No, don't hurt me. Alright, I've got a concussion. I nearly broke my back and my head.
Sorry.
With my pussy.
With your pussy.
Sorry. Thanks ever so much.
I love them baskets.
Yes, let's go over there, let's inspect. Oh, they've got a black one as well.
Yes.
I like that. It's got like a metal base. Oh, there's a little one. Is that a bin or a basket?
No, I don't know.
Like these.
Like them.
For your cozy. I'm going to say it. I'm going to join. Yeah, my head hurts as well. It was your bloody idea. Yeah, what did you just do? Get in it. You actually fit in it as well. Just so you broke it? No. No one actually saw. No one saw. Oh. Would it look good with my plant? How much is it? Why are there no prices? £6, then that's going to be like 12, 15.
There's loads of pink in Ikea, isn't there?
Pink and gold, pink and gold. This is all a bit of you. I actually really like this. I reckon this could go in my room, you know, as well.
Yeah. Definitely.
Defo. Oh, this is different. Back in the day, retro. That's actually quite good. £150. Am I in Ikea or am I somewhere else? You know when you're in Primark and you're like 15 quid, but if it was someone else it would be fine.
Yeah.
Same as here.
Yeah.
If it's expensive, I'm like, where am I? £22. I'm sorry, that's a bargain. I'm getting this pink one. I'm so obsessed. I've got this. It's £7 now. It was 10 when I last come here. That's a bargain. That I like more that than that. I like that. Oh, that's like a hanging one. Oh look, it's that.
Oh, they're
all the same. Oh no.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, I like that as well. Funky.
Oh,
But why do I keep saying funky? What? Oh, that's very you.
Love it. Love.
Oh, the man and woman. Oh, I thought it was a man.
Oh.
£175, absolute bargain. That'll do, donkey. Right, look how much I've got and how much I'm not gonna actually buy. Eucalyptus.
Oh, yeah, eucalyptus.
£2.50.
Bought fucking millions.
I brought about, how many did I get? Like 20.
Loads.
They've got loads of, I've been able to get this and I didn't get it.
Yeah.
This is actually not, oh no, I've got it. What am I on about? It's in my bloody living room. Yeah, I think it would look nicer darker. I like that.
My favourite part.
Not this bit because they're fake. She didn't like fakes. Do you know what? You put me off fakes as well.
Have I? Look.
Da 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 da. I always look at this one, don't I? How many times have I looked at that? No, if it was, I'd get it. They've got the one you got last time. I do really love this plant, you know. I'm so tempted. But where would I put it? I've only got a little flat.
Are you joking? You think there's room for plants?
Where?
Everywhere.
She's selling it to me.
And then it like droops.
Oh, that's cute.
We need to clean this out a bit.
No, but I feel like I prefer that more than my other plant. £9 going in. Yes. Love these. They've just got so much pink.
How adorable is this? It reminds me
Oh, that is cute.
Old lady's hair.
an old lady's hair.
Yeah, do you know what?
Put it in there. Is that too big? Oh yeah, it's too big. So cute. Oh, I like these. Look at that. £15. You could DIY that as well. That's really good.
This is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
I don't know if I'm a fan of the aloe vera plant. I'm gonna throw that out there.
No,
I don't think I am actually.
I've never actually bought one.
They would look nice in a huge bathroom with patterned tiled floor, imagine. With a massive shower. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
You know when people do that thing in vlogs, but they obviously set up their camera and they do this and they walk back. It makes me laugh because then they obviously go pick their camera back up and it's just funny. I'm gonna edit that in there and pretend that I didn't just go pick my camera back up. Back in for food.
We're going to get meatballs.
We're going meatballs. There's not a big queue. Yes. I'm back. Almost got to end the video. This video's gonna be way too long, so I'm not gonna include what I got. But I always do what I got this month haul at the end of every month, so everything will be in there. I'm obsessed with what I've got, not gonna lie. I hope you liked the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you want to see more videos like that, thinking like maybe Home Sense or another Ikea, because who doesn't love Ikea? Like, subscribe, put the bell on. Put the bloody bell on, why not? Goodbye.